Congratulations on completing the exercise. Now, so far we've mostly been concerned with the amount of income that was generated by the firm's business, right? That's what the income statement shows us. There is, however, an important difference between the amounts that a firm registers as revenue and costs on its income statement and the actual cash that results from these transactions. The reason for this is simple. Sometimes a firm may recognize revenues or expenses at a time that is different than the time when the actual payment has been made. It may recognize them at the time of the payment, but very often there are exceptions, and this creates a difference between the amount of income that the firm has produced and the actual cash at hand that it has. In the next 2 lessons, we will provide examples about the timing of revenue and cost recognition that will allow you to understand this idea better. However, the main idea going forward is that income and cash are 2 different things.